Hello and welcome to week 3 of the Temple Read Aloud project, where we are teaching early math by providing language exploration by using read-alouds and related activities. I am Suzanne Forsyth with the University of Texas. In this book, your child will be working on classification and pattern skills, where the child sorts objects that are the same and different into groups and uses language to describe how the groups are the same and different. For this week, the target vocabulary words are different, not alike at all, same, very much alike, group, put together, and sort, put it in a group. The challenge terms are similar, kind of alike, arrange, put in correct place, and compare, tell how things are the same or different. Don't forget to put the words that you are working on this week with your child on cards and place those cards somewhere where you will see them as you go throughout the week. And don't forget to remind your child to listen for those words as you read the book. Reading suggestions for this week are, as always, first day, simply read the book and respond to your child's comments and answers. There are a lot of questions in this book. On the second and third days, stop at your target words and ask your child to give you a definition or whatever the gesture was for those words. In this book, you can use the illustrations to ask extended questions about the object in the pictures and how they are sorted. And also, as your child gives you answers and you've read it the second or third day, you can see if they can give you different answers to sort things in different ways than they originally answered. For activities for this week, for the first one, you can play a What Belongs game, just verbally with your child. Give your child a group name and ask what belongs in my group. For instance, if I said, what belongs in the group called colors? Your child might say red, blue, yellow, and green. You can use this game with different simple groups and take turns with who names the group and who has to generate answers. You can extend this activity by adding more specific criteria to the group. For instance, if your group was animals originally, you might ask about, well, can you name animals that have 4 legs? Or if your clothing was your original category, how about things that you wear when it's cold outside? Or if snacks was your category, what about salty snacks? Another activity suggestion to go with this book is to sort snacks. So for this, you would choose a snack that has a mix of items and then sort them into their different groups. For instance, you could use trail mix, Chex Mix, or even mixed nuts, Teddy Grahams, or animal crackers, or even mixtures of small pieces of fruit such as grapes and raisins. You can extend this activity by even making patterns with the snacks. The third activity suggestion for this week is to do a household sorting task together. There are all kinds of activities that you do all the time around the house that involve sorting. For instance, you can sort a load of towels by the child making a pile of the big bath towels, the smaller hand towels, the kitchen towels. You could sort socks into the piles of the adult socks and child socks. Or the child can help by putting away clean silverware into the silverware organizing tray. You can extend this activity by going one more step, such as actually matching the socks or taking that silverware that was unloaded and put into the tray and setting the table and arranging the silverware the way it needs to be to eat a meal. This week, you actually get a bonus activity. This one is organizing your child's space. Didn't make it one of the original 4 activities because it might not come across as fun, but it is a natural way to clean up and organize your child's room, and it's a place that your child would ordinarily use sorting skills every time they do it. So they could sort their toy cars and trucks, and their Legos, and their stuffed animals, and their books, and put them in their appropriate places. You can extend this activity and maybe make it a little more fun by sorting things a little more precisely, like taking out the toy cars and sorting them by the color of the car, or these are cars and these are trucks. Legos, they can sort them by color, or they can sort them by long Legos and short Legos, or the number of dots that are on the top of the Legos. And that is your week 4 video. Thank you for working with us, and we look forward to working with you again next week.